March 12th, 2023, I said, this is a controlled downturn of the country. Sabrina, why do you feel this way in March of 2023? And I said, because of what they're doing in real estate and how they're shutting down the ability to fix your car and the Bitcoin and investing, they want everybody here for the biotokenized economy. And I said, this ain't good because you're going to have major sabotage on your farmland. Oh, where are we today? I said they're going to make you move with weather warfare into the C40.org agenda. Those are smart cities right now with their electronic corridors in the Department of Transportation, V2X, vehicle to everything. Where are we today? Hi. And the reason that I knew is not a crystal ball. It's because I told the truth about what was happening in Congress, and then I shared it with people on my channel.